Using technology in the classroom, tips from a professional. Please subscribe to my channel How to Master Classroom Computer Use. Tips from a professional. Mastering classroom computer use is essential in today's digital age. As a professional, here are some tips to help you enhance your computer skills and make the most of technology in the classroom. Familiarize yourself with the hardware and software. Take the time to understand the computers, laptops, projectors, interactive whiteboards, and other equipment available in your classroom. Get acquainted with the operating systems, software, and applications commonly used in educational settings. Stay updated with technology. Keep up with the latest advancements in educational technology. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences, and explore online resources to learn about new tools, software, and techniques that can enhance your teaching and student engagement. Practice regularly. The key to mastering computer use is consistent practice. Spend time using the technology available in your classroom and explore its functionalities. Experiment with different features, settings, and applications to gain confidence and proficiency. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can significantly improve your efficiency and productivity. Take the time to learn commonly used shortcuts for tasks like copying, pasting, saving, and switching between applications. This knowledge will save you time and make your interactions with computers smoother. Utilize educational software. Explore educational software that aligns with your teaching goals and subject areas. Educational software can provide interactive activities, simulations, and multimedia resources that engage students and facilitate learning. Familiarize yourself with these tools and integrate them into your lessons. Utilize cloud storage and collaboration tools. Cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive allow you to store and share files securely. Learn how to use these tools effectively, as they enable seamless collaboration with students, colleagues, and parents. Develop digital organization skills. Organize your files, folders, and resources on your computer to easily locate and access them. Create a logical system that makes sense to you, and maintain consistency in naming conventions. This practice will save you time and reduce frustration when you need to find specific files quickly. Implement digital citizenship and online safety. Teach your students about responsible digital citizenship and online safety. Address topics like privacy, cyberbullying, and proper online behavior. Model good practices yourself and guide your students in using technology responsibly and ethically. Troubleshooting and problem solving. Technology can sometimes be unpredictable, and technical issues may arise during class. Develop basic troubleshooting skills to address common problems independently. Additionally, maintain a good relationship with your school's IT support team, as they can assist you with more complex issues. Continuous learning. Embrace a growth mindset and remain open to learning new skills and tools. Technology is constantly evolving, so seek opportunities for professional development and stay connected with other educators who share similar interests. Engage in online communities, join social media groups, and participate in discussions to stay up to date with the latest trends. Remember, mastering classroom computer use is an ongoing process. With time, practice, and a willingness to explore new tools, you can become proficient in utilizing technology to enhance your teaching and create engaging learning experiences for your students. Thanks for watching.